We're here today at Emerald Point Water Park. I think it's now called Wet and Wild, but I know if you are from the Triad, anywhere central North Carolina, you have probably referred to this as Emerald Point growing up. We're out here on a seal coat stripe job, trying to get them back moving before they open up. I think they're opening this Saturday. So we were pushed on this one, but we're out here seal coating. We did some asphalt patching beforehand, and then now we are restriping the entire parking lot here at Emerald Point Wet and Wild in Greensboro, North Carolina. They reached out, they had some asphalt issues. Stripes had started to fade over the years. It was just important for them to try to get this done. We started looking at this in the fall of last year. They were looking at different ways to price this out, different means of processes to look at as far as between seal coating and striping or even milling and paving. For this go round, they decided to do seal coating and striping, and we were able to adjust some things as far as their parking spaces to allow more parking, change around where the buses used to park. Now they are all car parking. First things first, when we came out to the parking lot, of course we assessed everything as far as asphalt, what it looks like, longevity of it. What we ended up advising was seal coating and striping the parking lot. Asphalt was cracked pretty badly, too much to do any crack sealing on, from our opinion. So we decided to look at seal coating and striping to buy them another 4 to 5 years, hopefully. This parking lot took, I think, about 2.5 weeks to complete from start to finish for us. We did the asphalt patching back weeks before this project started for the seal coating. So we got that out of the way so that the seal coat would bond. The striping is extremely extensive here, so we're trying to give these customers here better guidance as far as parking, arrows to send them in the right traffic patterns, and lines to guide everyone from the time they pull in off of the roadway to get to the ticket booths exactly where they need to be without causing any sort of congestion any more than necessary.